Dear friends, today I will continue with another section from the same chapter, that is chapter 18 of the Indian Patent Act or the Patent Act 1970. The title of section 114, which is today's topic, is Relief for Infringement of Partially Valid Specification. Okay, and we shall proceed with our with the subsections and our key points. Fine. Subsection 1 says, if in proceedings for infringement of a patent it is found that any claim of the specification, being a claim in respect of which infringement is alleged, is valid, but that any other claim is invalid, the court may grant relief in respect of any valid claim which is infringed, provided that the court shall not grant relief except by way of injunction save in the circumstances mentioned in subsection 2. Okay friends, so please observe the underlined words and please read the subsection carefully, taking care of the punctuation marks and the simple meaning which I have written in through my key points is, just take a look at the sentences written in black ink. It is found that the claim which is infringed is valid, but any other claim of the same patent is invalid. Then the court shall grant relief in the form of the injunction only and not in the form of damages or an account of profits. Okay. So we can say that if it is found, or we can say in case the claim which is infringed is valid but any other claim of the patent is invalid, then the court shall grant relief in the form of the injunction only and not in the form of damages or an account of profits. Fine. Next one is subsection 2, where the plaintiff proves that the invalid claim was framed in good faith and with reasonable skill and knowledge, the court shall grant relief in respect of any valid claim which is infringed, subject to the discretion of the court as to cost and as to the date from which damages or an account of profits should be reckoned, and in exercising such discretion, just a minute friends, just a minute, yeah. So, continuing, the court may take into consideration the conduct of the parties in inserting such invalid claims in the section, in the specification or permitting them to remain there. Okay, so please observe the underlined words and please read carefully the subsection as I always say. And here the meaning here is, for this subsection is, in case the plaintiff proves that the invalid claims were drafted in good faith and with reasonable skills and knowledge, then the court may, subject to its discretion, grant relief in the form of damages or account of profit. That means subsection 1 does not deal with the form of relief that are damages or accounts of profit. It deals only with injunction, and subsection 2 deals with damages or account of profit. Fine. So this way friends, subsection 114 is completed. Okay. So please go through my video. Please share my video among your friends. Please write to me in case of any compliments, comments, queries, suggestions, etc. Everything is welcomed. And please subscribe my channel. And thank you so much for watching my video, for listening to me. Stay safe, stay blessed.